So Farid says, I love how so many of these Islamophobes don't have the ability to represent me fairly by calling this child rape. How is it child rape when there was parental consent? Whoa, I didn't know where that feed was going till the very end.
In the Middle East and
Some
North
countries
Africa.
are literally just in the dark ages still.
Yeah, 100%.
You can have an iPhone in a country and have that going on still. It's just so crazy.
And that fucking crazy? It's like this guy's defending it because it's like, oh, they said it's okay. I can fuck kids. It's totally fine.
Farid, calm down, Farid.
This video shows a wedding ceremony in Iran between a 10-year-old girl and a 22-year-old man. It was published by activists to raise awareness about the practice of child marriage.
You know, when I received the video of this child marriage and the wedding party, it made me cry. But at the same time, I thought, I can do something. I can spread the message. I can talk to the rest of the world and get their attention to understand that this regime actually doing this to us, the women of Iran.
The video quickly went viral and sparked outrage among Iranians. Following the outcry, officials annulled the marriage. But they are also looking to prosecute people who distributed the video.
So you see, they think that we are the criminals by making awareness. The Iranian government thinks that we shouldn't publish the video, we shouldn't talk about it. They don't want this film to be, spread around, to be published, because they know that we are going to get international attention. So they don't care about child marriage. They care about their image in the rest of the world.
The legal age for marriage in Iran is 13 years for girls, according to the country's interpretation of Sharia law. But marriages can still be carried out at a younger age, with the consent of fathers and permission from court judges. Child marriages are a common phenomenon in Iran. Since March 2018, more than 150,000 weddings were registered with girls under the age of 18, according to the Iranian Health Ministry. 43,000 of these registered marriages were among 10 to 15-year-olds, according to the Iranian Parliament Press Office. On top of that, experts say thousands of children get married unofficially without registration, especially in rural areas. Many come from very poor, large families, in which the parents marry them off in exchange for money or a house.
The number of child marriage is a crisis in Iran. 13-year-old girl is a child, and they have to understand that this is a child abuse and violence against children.
Child marriage isn't just an issue in Iran. It is also practiced in other countries around the globe. "37,000 girls under the age of 18 are married each day across the world, according to the UN. In Iran, Parliament is now discussing possibly raising the legal age of marriage. Previous attempts were blocked for contradicting Islamic jurisdiction, current laws, and social norms. But the viral wedding video has revived the discussion.
actually shows you the power of ordinary people when they can bring change within the society by only filming any kind of violence against children, against women, and talking about it. Break the silence.